All right, traders, short and sweet tonight because I'm kind of battling hurricane cleanup, although we didn't get hit very hard, but a lot of outdoor stuff to do. So here's the SPY. Today we gapped down. Remember yesterday the Dow was up, I don't know, 500 points or whatever it was. And the SPY went from a low of 362 to 372, like a $10 gain on an intraday basis. And then today, all the way back down below yesterday's low at one point, before closing pretty close to yesterday's low. So in my opinion, you've got what I told people in chat today. You got a lot of people jumped in long, with that big pop in the SPY yesterday, thinking, okay, we finally bottomed. And in one day, they're disappointed. So for me, again, I don't predict the overall market, but this is kind of a recipe for a negative sentiment, maybe getting worse because that what looked like bounce day already wasn't one day later. So something to be careful about. Not a lot of opportunities out there on the long side, in my opinion, but we'll see. What are we watching for tomorrow? SNTI, big volume, fairly strong day, closing off its highs though. See if it gives a setup tomorrow. PLSE, by the way, this is the shortest list I've had in a long time, and I don't even like the list, but PLSE had this pop and then kind of quietly pulled back a little bit and curling back up. So it goes on watch. ABOS, one of the strongest stocks out there, had a nice push today. I wish I'd have been watching this through 10. Could have been a nice late day trade. But anyway, really ahead of itself, so I'm not in love with it, but relative strength, so we're going to put it on a chart. EVTL, pointed this one out the other day, and then quietly today just absolutely rips on really not that much volume. Going to put it on a chart. OCUL had a big bounce today. We'll see if it follows through tomorrow. NNOX had the big rip yesterday. Quiet inside day to day, looking for a third day play. Couple more. QTRX tried to break out of this island down here yesterday, and today much lower volume, quiet inside day. And then LITM had the attempted breakout about a week ago and straight down since then. So I am going to put it on bounce watch, even though, yes, this is an ugly daily chart. We'll hopefully catch some gappers in the morning as well, maybe some news plays, but not a lot to watch. Don't overtrade this market. And, just be patient. If you get an A+ setup, take it. Otherwise, don't do anything. If there's nothing to trade, trade nothing. All right, see you in chat.